So if you're looking for an indoor carpet, then you definitely would like to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this carpet so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. This is a 5x7 vintage style area rug, and it's in a soft blue floral design. And I also love that it's lightweight, super soft to touch, and it's also pet friendly. It came folded like this, compact and easy to store or move around. I took my time unfolding it, and as you can see, it opened up smoothly. I laid it flat and let it sit for a couple of days, and it relaxed beautifully with no creases left behind. One thing that really stands out is the texture. It's silky smooth, but still a low pile. So it feels great under your hands and feet, but won't trap fur, crumbs, or toys. The stitching around the edges is clean and secure, which help it last longer, even in busy areas. And I also love how the tones shift depending on your lighting. It plays between navy blue, soft white, and lighter denim tone. In the sun, it brightens up, and in a cozy light, it adds warmth. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite parts, the backing. This rug has a built-in anti-slip grip layer that keeps it totally in place. Whether you got laminate, wood, or tile flooring, it holds sturdy. Even when my miniature schnauzer puppy is doing zoomies across it, it does not slide around at all. No rug pad needed. It's also machine washable, so whether it's muddy paws or everyday mess, you can just toss it in and freshen it up. Overall, it's soft, stylish, does not move around, and it's easy to clean rug. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.